Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how much hair to use for medium knotless braids. First, select your braiding hair. You'll generally need 5 to 7 packs of pre-stretched braiding hair, usually 42 to 52 inches in length. Pre-stretched hair helps prevent tangles and makes the braiding process much smoother. Before you begin, make sure your natural hair is thoroughly clean, detangled, and well moisturized for the best results. Now, let's talk about preparing the braiding hair. Take each full pack of braiding hair and divide it into 3 to 4 smaller, more manageable sections. Each of these smaller sections should be roughly 1/4 to 1/3 of the original bundle. The exact amount of hair you use for each individual braid will depend on how thick you want your finished medium knotless braids to be. For the braiding technique, begin by creating clean, consistent partings in your natural hair. Aim for sections that are approximately 1 inch by 1 inch for medium-sized braids. Start braiding your natural hair for about 1 to 2 inches before you begin to feed in the extension hair. Remember to add small, even pieces of the braiding hair gradually to ensure a smooth, knotless transition and a natural-looking finish. To finish your beautiful medium knotless braids, continue braiding all the way down to the ends of the hair. You can secure the very tips with a tiny bit of gel or a small rubber band if needed. For a polished and long-lasting look, dip the braided ends into hot water. This seals them and prevents unraveling. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.